Hello everyone! In this video we are going to test Polaris Alpha, which is truly GPT 5.0, 5.1 or GPT-6, we don't really know. As you can see in the discussions we have in Reddit, most people think it's GPT 5.1. So we're going to test it out on Open Router because we can test it for free in there. It's a stealth model, which means it's a model where we don't know who provided it, but we speculate it's the new OpenAI one. As you can see, it's called Stealth. And usually we can test them for free because they are experimental versions. So it's one of the most used currently model in Open Router, but we're gonna test it out anyway. So we're gonna ask to create a web app, and we're gonna ask him to create a racing game. Create a racing game in in 3D. Let's try a 3D. And let's test it out, and we're gonna see what's going on. Also, I'm gonna try it out if to see if we can have a look in the inference speed. So normally right here we have the latency and the throughput. The throughput is quite good. It's 60 tokens per second, which is pretty neat for a model. I think it's the speed of Sonnet 4.5, and the uptime is quite good, and the latency is quite good too. So we have a max output of 125K and a total context which is 256K. So it depends on the model. But this one is quite okay. It's normal, to be fair. So we're gonna see what he will generate. So I'm gonna open this a bit more, maybe close this. So he started to make some React web app using TypeScript, which is quite neat. I don't know if we can have a preview while it's generating. No, we cannot. Okay. Oh, and we will be able to full screen it, which is quite neat. While it's generating, we're gonna take a look at what they say on Reddit. By my testing, it's super good at avoiding hallucination, which is really the most the biggest issue we have with models is their hallucination. So if it's better, it's really better. um, they think it's created by OpenAI because even when they ask him where it's come from, is just saying that he came from OpenAI. But yeah, it's not sure, but most people think it's come from OpenAI. And the reviews are quite good, as you can see. And they tested some different stuff. Please spell this backward. Oh, and he tried to spell it backward, so it's kind of a trick. So he shouldn't answer with Latin characters. Please spell chantability. Chance ability. Okay. So here he kind of has some issues. Like a lot of models, it's not perfect, but it's quite neat. Uh, it feels like OpenAI. And I don't think Google models have less than 1 million contexts. Yeah, this is really the core thing with Google models is that in general have huge context window. Maybe it's due to the TPU, I don't know. Um, so a model for free labor smells like rock. Yeah, maybe. Uh, they all think it's from OpenAI. So it's still generating. I'm gonna um, show how much time he took if they show the information. Currently viewing. Okay, so we have to go till the end. So I think I'm gonna pause it right now, and we're gonna take you when it's finished. See you later. Okay, wow, so it has finished, and it seems just incredible. It took so much time. It took 231 seconds, which is, I would say, quite long. But look at the result. It's insanely beautiful. Like, I think generally I never saw a model generating such a good UI. Like, wow. It's called Nebula Hyperdrive, a minimalistic 3D racing game in pure React and Canva. So we have the controls right here, the speed, but just the sense of taste of the model. Wow! Gonna full screen it and we're gonna test it out. So start race. Because of the recording, my PC is lagging a bit, but I think it will work. So uh, wait, am I going forward or backward? What's what's going on? What the fuck? What is going on? I think I'm going backward. What the? Huh? I'm confused. Maybe if I. It 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 was beautiful. Why? I have to try again. What? Why is the control inverted? You, it has such good UI. Why did it you did it? You did it to me. Why? I think I'm gonna make a new video about it. I really want to retry it. It seems so good. Like it's insane.